Terrian Tamer has been a global leader in four-wheel drive automotive aftermarket parts for over 50 years. And we specialize in stronger aftermarket parts for the four-wheel drive community. We pride ourselves on the innovation and quality of our parts, and we also service the mining, military, and farming sectors. Terrian Tamer is a truly global company. We opened our first branch in Papua New Guinea in 2018, followed by a second in 2019. We stock a wide variety of parts and receive shipments from Australia every week. We are located in Port Moresby and Lae, and we have a dedicated sales team who can help you with any of your needs. And you can visit our website or e-store to see what is available for your vehicle. Terrian Tamer, parts that will get you home.